how to insert symbols and special characters in words. So all you have to do is go here directly to your Microsoft Word application here on your desktop, and it will look like this. Now, the next thing that you're going to do is on the upper right, you will see a lot of options. You will see file, home, insert, draw, so on and so forth. So tap on insert here. Now, once you click on insert, what you're going to do next is on the right side, you will see the symbol here, right? So since you want to insert a symbol, all you have to do is to click on the symbol and this will pop out, and you'll see a lot of symbols here. And basically all you have to do is to search for that or scroll through this and look for your specific symbol. Or then what you can do is to click on that, and on the bottom part of that pop out tab, you will see insert. Click on insert there, and basically now, as you can see, you have successfully inserted symbols and special characters in Word. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.